Yo, new and working codes inside of BlueLock. Let's actually check out all these new codes. I'll be redeeming every single one of these new and working codes inside of BlueLock. Let's just get straight into the codes. There you go, massive bug fixes. You can already see the first code. So let's actually go ahead and redeem all the codes. Be sure to follow the channel for future codes. Don't miss out on any future codes and redeem every single one of these codes. Massive bug fixes. Massive bug fixes. Did they already leak the next event? I wonder if they actually leaked it. BlueLock. The next update. Miro answers your questions. Q&A fixed Loki. Sneak peeks. What is the next sneak peek? Sneak peek was 3 days ago. GG's. Redeem this code. That is the first code that you actually want to redeem. The next code is going to be awake. Awake, King awake. King awake. Exclamation point. Ning awakening. King awakening. Like the video right now. Scroll down. Hit the like button and comment King. Comment down below King. King triumphant returns. King rework. Wait. The next update will be the King rework. You'll be able to get yourself the brand new King rework by having King early. If you have King right now, you will have the awakened King in the update. So right now, if you have the King, you will be able to get yourself the awakened King in the update. I forgot to switch the captions to my other mic. Where is that? Audio input. Okay, bang. There it is. There it is. And it's not there. There it is. And it's not there. Where is it? English. Yes, English. Interesting. How did I already break it? There it is. Okay, finally. I thought it's broken, but it's working. Okay, the next video is gonna be better than this one.